Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20 FE and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings. The scan QR codes option is here at the last position in the intelligent features. So by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. And of course I suggest you to keep this turned on, because this is the best and easiest way to scan QR codes at this device, so you don't need any other app to do it. You can do it by just putting the QR codes inside your camera. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.